Hi, I'm going to show you how to do screen recording using QuickTime. Now currently you can't actually record the audio from screen recording, but there's an option you can download. It's pretty quick, called BlackHole, and once you install that it should all work lovely. So let's get stuck in. First thing, I'm going to go on the internet and I need you to download it for me. So we're looking for BlackHole root audio between apps. Tap on the link. And then you can donate. It's a good idea to donate. I've already done that because it really does help the developers. And then I'm just going to put Carnival, fill in all your details there. Then at the bottom, send link to download it. What it does, it sends a link to your email. So I'm going to open up my emails and here's the link here. Tap on it and it will go back to the website. And then down here, I want you to select BlackHole 2 channel. Tap on that. And there you go, it's now in my download folder. So I'm now going to minimize everything. We now need to install it. Now you might get an issue installing it, it might block it. So I'm going to open downloads. I'm going to tap on the BlackHole 2 channel package, double tap it, and again you can see it's blocked it. What you do is go to your Apple, System Settings, or you can do that from your dock. Now, if we scroll down here, you've got an option here called Privacy and Security. Tap on it. Or if you click OK on the actual package, you can do that as well and it will take you straight there. Scroll to the bottom and we want to select Open Anyway. Now if we click Open, it was now ready to install. So let me close that. Click Continue, Continue, Agree, and then follow all prompts to install that. There shouldn't be an issue with that anymore. Once installed, come up to your search option and I want you to type in audio, which is audio MIDI setup. Tap on the link. Now we're ready to configure your audio devices. So we can see we've got BlackHole 2 channel. Come down bottom left, click plus, and we need to add create aggregate device. Tap that once for me. Now on the right here, we need to set it up. So first thing we need to do is select your BlackHole. And then if I scroll down, I'm going to add my headset with it, Plantonic, so that way I can record what I'm seeing on the screen, but you're also recording the screen as well. You don't have to do this, it's your choice, but I'm going to tap that, add my Plantonic. So that's now set up, ready to go. The next option, I need to come back down here again, click plus. I need to create multi-output devices. So my main output device is my MacBook Air speakers, but you might have different name for it, internal speakers. So it varies on different systems. But I'm happy with that. So I've also can add my BlackHole 2 channel. Now it's important you rename them. So I'm going to tap on aggregate device, input, and I'm going to come down to the next one here. I need to rename this as well. It's important you rename it or you won't know how to set things up later. And tap off that. So that's now set up. So next thing I need to do is close this. I need to go to my sounds. So I'm going to Apple, System Settings, and Sound. I can see that set up now as screen recording audio. So that's all fine. I'm happy with that. But make sure it's in the output option, not the input, the output option. Close that for me. Next, I'm going to open up QuickTime. There it is, QuickTime Player. Close the window, go to File, and we want to select New Screen Recording. Before we do anything, come down to Options, and we want QuickTime Input. Make sure that's selected, so you can see why we renamed them so you know where you're at. So I should be able to record now. So if I tap this, it'll start recording in 5 seconds. And I'm going to start recording this video. Click play.
Let's start them out differently first. Let's start them out falling feet first.
I'm also going to talk a little bit as well as I'm listening. Because remember, I set up the microphone as well as recording.
Because he's large, not the point mass, the different parts of him feel different gravitational.
Click pause. I'm going to minimize that. And I'm going to stop the recording. Here's the recording. I'm now going to click play.
Start them out differently first. Let's start them out falling feet first.
I'm also going to talk a little bit as well as I'm listening. Because remember, I set up the microphone as well as
because
recording.
he's large, not the point mass, the different parts of him feel different gravitational.
Clip pause. I'm going to pause it myself, and I'm going to close that. And there you go. You can now record online content. Last of all, go back to sound. And make sure you change it. You don't really want to leave it on screen recording audio. I'm going to go back to MacBook Air speakers. So only set that when you actually want to record online content. And click close. Thanks for watching.